Many students ask, how do I get my bibliography from this to look like this, the standard format required by the Modern Language Association? The biggest issue students find is getting the hanging indent, shown here, to actually look correct on their works cited. First, you want to highlight the entire text of your works cited. Then, right-click and say you want to go to Paragraph. In the Paragraph window, make sure that each of the indentations and the spacings are set to 0. Make sure your line spacing is set to double, and your special is set to hanging indent. Then hit OK. Note, it has reformatted your bibliography so that it is now double-spaced with a hanging indent, exactly like that required by the MLA.